बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एग्जाम्स विद मुनव्वर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम FBR अपर डिवीजन क्लर्क पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 11/12/2022 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। कंप्लीट वीडियो को वॉच कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, वीडियो को शेयर कीजिएगा और अगर आप चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कांग्रेस डिड नॉट अटेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस डैश। करेक्ट आंसर सी, थर्ड। Question number 2, who defeated Ibrahim Lodi in first battle of Panipat dash? Correct answer B, Babur. Question number 3, when did Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Congress dash? Correct answer D, 1920. Question number 4, who wrote Asirul Sanadid dash? Correct answer B, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 5, which movement was started to protect Ottoman Empire in Turkey? Correct answer C, Khilafat movement. Question number 6, who won the first Nishan-e-Haidar of Pakistan dash? Correct answer D, Muhammad Sarwar. Question number 7, the current federal minister for defense is dash? Correct answer D, Khaja Asif. Question number 8, when did Muhammad Ali Jinnah got the title of knighthood dash? Correct answer A, 1925. Question number 9, Pakistan resolution was presented on 23rd March 1940 by dash? Correct answer C, A.K. Fazlul Haq. Question number 10, Pakistan first coin was issued on dash? Correct answer B, 3rd January 1948. Question number 11, how many clauses did Treaty of Hudaybiyah contain dash? Correct answer B, 7. Question number 12, how many stages are mentioned in the Holy Quran dash? Correct answer C, 7. Question number 13, distance required to qasr in prayers dash? Correct answer C, 78 km. Question number 14, what is the real name of Imam Abu Hanifa dash? Correct answer C, Numan bin Sabit. Question number 15, to which country Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam Khatamun Nabiyyin made his first business trip dash? Correct answer D, Syria. Question number 16, what are Hanfi, Hanbali, Shafi and Maliki dash? Correct answer B, Fiqh doctrines. Question number 17, which term is used for the longest ayat of Quran dash? Correct answer B, Ayat Mudana. Question number 18, according to Holy Quran, how many witnesses are required for financial transaction dash? Correct answer A, 2 men. Question number 19, how many essential beliefs are there in Imam Mufassil dash? Correct answer C, 7. Question number 20, according to Sharia, what is fifth dash? Correct answer A, belief in 7 things. Question number 21, she has been working dash midnight. Correct answer A, since. Question number 22, my sister is bad dash maths. Correct answer C, 8. Question number 23, Anam is the smartest dash girls. Correct answer C, of all. Question number 24, she has been exempted dash night duty. Correct answer A, from. Question number 25, you must adhere dash your promise. Correct answer C, 2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.